Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can replace WhatsApp messages. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, open the WhatsApp app on your device and also open the message box of the person that you'd like to send the message to. Now on the bottom, you'll be able to see a message bar. Tap on it and you'll be able to view your keyboard. Now all you'll have to do is type in the message. Here I'm going to type "this is a messages." Since I have a spelling error in the messages word, there's a blue line denoting spelling error. Now select the message with spelling error. Now you'll be able to see a pop-up above it. They'll show you options to either cut the text, copy the text, paste it or change it into bold or italic. Just besides that, you'll be able to see a 3-dotted icon. Tap on it and you will see more options to either strike through the message, monospace it, share it, select all of the message or replace the message. Tap on the replace button and just below the message, you'll be able to see a pop-up of the word with the correct spelling. You can also see the options of adding to dictionary or deleting the word. Simply tap on the corrected word. Now, as you can see on the screen, the word on my text has been replaced with the correct spelling. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.